Hello and welcome back to the channel, where we talk all about healthy aging, simple solutions, and living your best life after 55. Now, let me ask you a question. Are you feeling more tired lately? Maybe your legs feel a little weaker, or your grip isn't what it used to be. If so, it's not just aging. The real problem could be hiding right there on your plate. Yes, some everyday foods that we think are healthy may actually drain our strength, weaken our muscles, and slow our energy down without us even realizing it. But here's the good news. There's one powerful food, yes, just one simple food, that research shows can start helping your strength, energy, and muscle repair in as little as 24 hours. So stick around, because in today's video, I'll share the common foods silently damaging aging body's the #1 food to eat instead to rebuild strength, and how to easily include it in your meals. Starting today, let's begin with something most people don't realize. As we get older, our body naturally starts to lose muscle mass. This is called sarcopenia, and after age 60, we lose it even faster, unless we step in to support our muscles with the right fuel. But here's the tricky part. Some foods we eat every day are actually silently speeding up muscle loss. Let me give you 3 common examples. White bread and refined carbs. You may love toast in the morning or white rice at dinner, but refined carbs, like white bread, crackers, pastries, spike blood sugar, and that creates inflammation in the body. Inflammation, over time, actually blocks muscle repair and makes it harder for your body to maintain strength. It's like trying to build a house while someone keeps knocking down the walls. Processed meats, deli slices, sausages, hot dogs, they're quick and tasty, yes, but they're full of preservatives and sodium nitrates that can damage blood vessels, increase stiffness, and reduce circulation to your muscles. Poor circulation equals poor muscle support. Vegetable oils like corn or soybean oil. These may sound healthy because they're called vegetable, but most are highly processed. They contain omega-6 fats, which in high amounts throw off the balance in your body and lead to you guessed it, chronic inflammation again. And as we mentioned earlier, inflammation is the enemy of strength and recovery. Now don't worry, I'm not saying you can never eat these again, but if these are a regular part of your meals and you've been feeling tired, weak, or low on energy, they might be part of the reason why. And that brings us to the exciting part. What should you eat instead? There's one specific food, is simple, natural, and backed by science, that's been shown to reignite strength, fight inflammation, and even support muscle recovery in just 24 hours. Want to know what it is? We'll get to that right after this. Alright, let's talk about the one food that can truly help your body bounce back with strength, even within the first 24 hours. Ready? It's eggs. Yes, good old-fashioned eggs. They may seem simple, but when it comes to restoring strength, preserving muscle, and boosting energy for older adults, eggs are one of the most complete, natural powerhouses you can eat. Let me explain why. One large egg contains about 6 to 7 grams of complete protein. That means it has all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to repair and build muscle. And here's the best part. Unlike protein shakes or powders, eggs are easily absorbed. Your body uses this protein more efficiently, especially when you're over 55 and your digestion naturally slows down. Leucine is an amino acid especially important for older adults. It actually triggers your body's muscle building process. Studies show that meals rich in leucine, like those with eggs, stimulate muscle growth better than meals without it, even in seniors. In fact, one study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who included high leucine protein, like eggs, gained more lean muscle over just a few days compared to those who didn't. Eggs aren't just protein, they also contain vitamin D for stronger bones and balance, choline for brain and muscle coordination, 1-2 for energy and nerve function, healthy fats to reduce inflammation and fuel your body. And let's not forget, eggs are inexpensive, easy to prepare, and go with just about anything, whether scrambled, boiled, poached, or in a veggie omelet. So how can you start feeling stronger today? Try this simple plan. Have 2 eggs with breakfast, with sautéed spinach or avocado. Add a boiled egg as a snack in the afternoon, or mix a scrambled egg into a bowl of oats for a protein-rich twist. This one small change, eating 1 to 2 eggs per day, can make a real difference in your strength, energy, and confidence, even in the first 24 to 48 hours. And if you've been avoiding eggs because of cholesterol concerns, we'll touch on that myth in the next section. Because research today tells a different story than we used to believe.